Hi, this is Jim Berthold, Vice President of Customer Support and Application Engineering for OLI Systems. Today we're going to take a look at the Alloy Manager inside of OLI Studio. The Alloy Manager is useful to create stability diagrams for alloys not currently covered in the OLI software. So we'll go ahead and start this. Okay, we just created a stream. I'm going to switch to MSE. I'm also going to turn my names manager onto formula, just as to take a look. And now I'll go to the Alloy Manager. It is found in Tools under Alloy Manager. So what we can do here is create a new alloy. I'm just going to call it Test 101. That's just an arbitrary name. The only requirement now is that it has to be an alloy in one of these classes that we have here. For this particular example, I'm just going to select the austenitic steel, click OK. And now I can enter my composition for this alloy. It's going to be mostly iron. And then I'll just put a little bit of each one of the other elements into it. You should enter the actual composition you have. You can normalize it, it won't do anything. But if you had numbers slightly offset, it will make everything equal to 100. Click OK. Now I have a stream defined. Again, we said it was MSE. I'm just going to add a calculation, a stability diagram. My contact surface will be my alloy. It comes up first in the list. Okay. And there's the composition that we have entered. It's been normalized somewhat. If you want to see the actual name, go back to Names Manager, select Display Name, and there's Test 101. You can go ahead and run the calculation. Might take a while. And now it's starting to run the calculation. And then you can take a plot of it. Good time. And it's all complicated here. And there's other things you can do. You can actually turn off some of your subsystems here, so you can look at things that are a little clearer. We'll turn off some aqueous. It doesn't change it. We can show, I don't want to see the nickel, molybdenum, chromium. I can turn them off as well. And you can clean up your diagram as necessary. And you could do this with many different alloys. The only caveat here is that the alloy is unique to this file. So if I save this and I open up a new file, brand new file, go into the Tools and Alloy Manager, you will see that it's not there because it's only unique to the file. If I go back to the original file I just had, you can see that the Alloy Manager, that alloy is there. And you can add more alloys as you need, but they're unique to this file. There's not a global repository of them. So if you have any questions, give us an email at oli.support@olisystems.com and we can talk about it some more. Thank you.